Lesson 8.3, Connecting Fractions to Division. We know that we have three forms of division. The first one is the conventional division sign, in which we have the dividend before and the divisor afterwards. The second one is the long division form, okay, in which we have the dividend underneath this umbrella and the divisor outside. And the third one is fraction, in which we have the numerator or the dividend above and the divisor or the denominator below. So if we have 3 divided by 4, we can actually say it like 3 over 4, or write it as in this form, 3 over 4. For example, if we have 4 divided by 3, I can actually turn it into a 4 over 3. Okay, but since this is an improper fraction, I'm gonna have to turn it to a mixed number. So if I take 1 out of this 4, I have 3 over 3 and the 1 over 3 alone by itself. And this will equal to 3 over 3 is 1 and the 1 over 3 stays as it is. So this is our mixed number. Okay, if I have a 5 divided by 4, I can write it as a 5 over 4. In which, this is an improper fraction, so I'm going to have to turn it to a mixed number as well. So this means that if I take 1 out of this 5 and put it here, so I'm going to have 1 over 4 by itself, and the rest over here, which is 4 over 4, which equals to 1, so it's 1 and 1 over 4. Okay, here I have 2 divided by 3, I can turn it to a 2 over 3, okay, but this is the simplified version. I cannot simplify it more. Okay, here I have a 10 divided by 5, okay, I can turn it to a 10 over 5, but I already know from timetable 5 that 10 divided by 5 is 2. Here I have 3 over 7. This is doing it the other way around. If I have a fraction, I can turn it to a conventional division problem. So if I have 3 over 7, I can turn it to a 3 divided by 7. Here, if I have a mixed number, 2 and 2/3, I can turn it to a division problem, but first I'm going to have to turn this into an improper fraction. So how do I turn a mixed number to an improper fraction? First of all, I keep the denominator as it is. Then, for the denominator, I'm going to have to multiply the denominator by the whole number, so it's 3 times 2, I get a 6, and then add this 6 to the 2 above. So I have 8. So it's 8 over 3, okay? Which is translated as 8 divided by 3 if I want to write it in a conventional division form. Okay, this is the summary of the lesson 8.3, Connecting Fractions to Division.